The Jehovah's Witnesses knocked on my door recently and tried to tell me that the Bible describes the earth as floating in outer space. They quoted Job chapter 26 verse 7. He stretches out the northern sky over empty space, suspending the earth upon nothing. Which the King James Version says, he stretcheth out the north over the empty place, and hangeth the earth upon nothing. Which is odd because I don't see the word sky anywhere. So let's go look at the Hebrew. I'm still not seeing the word sky. Even if the word sky was implied, paint yourself a picture of the sky being over empty space. And ask yourself, why is it just the northern sky? The sky being over an empty field seems a lot more reasonable to me. That field being an empty space. He stretches out the northern sky over the empty space, suspending the earth upon nothing. He stretcheth out the north over the empty place, and hangeth the earth upon nothing. I also want to point out the connection between suspends and hangs. I think about suspenders here. They allow your pants to hang off of your shoulders so you don't need a belt. I don't think that's what the scriptures are referring to concerning the earth. Suspending the earth or hanging it on nothing. If I were to say, I hang my hat on nothing, that is another way of saying, I don't hang my hat. If I were to put my hat on a shelf, that is me not hanging my hat on anything. 1 Samuel 2 in the Jehovah's Witness Bible says, he raises the lowly one from the dust. He lifts the poor from the ash heap to make them sit with princes, giving them a seat of honor. To Jehovah belong earth's supports, and he places the productive land upon them. The King James Version words that last little bit a bit differently. For the pillars of the earth are the Lord's, and he hath set the world upon them. Pillars. And if we look at the word supports in the Jehovah's Witness Bible, there's a hyperlink. It directly takes us to Isaiah 66:1. This is what Jehovah says, the heavens are my throne, and the earth is my footstool. That is right there in the Jehovah's Witness Bible, and in the King James it likewise says, the heaven is my throne, and the earth is my footstool. That definitely doesn't sound like a ball to me. If it has pillars and a foundation, that doesn't sound like it's floating or hanging on anything. If it's hanging on something, you don't need pillars and a foundation. Psalm 93:1. The Lord reigneth. He is clothed with majesty. The Lord is clothed with strength, wherewith he hath girded himself. The world also is established, that it cannot be moved. That doesn't sound like this at all. This video is for educational purposes only.